Okay, our forecast was 6 to 12 inches. It's still coming down. I think we have more than 6 to 12 inches. Check this out. I got the tractor started. The alternator was frozen when I started and I saw the belt smoking, then I had to stop it and then get it going again. So glad I got the tractor started. There's got to be 1.5 feet here. Look at the van here. I gotta get all the snow off the top, and that way is the driveway somewhere. And the snowplow went by multiple times, so it's gonna be a while to dig out. Still getting over the flu, but feeling better, but not 100%. But we got to dig out. Hopefully this will do it for a little while.